Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make meat saagwala. Meat saagwala is a spinach based goat curry. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this we need first for marination 0.5 kg goat meat, 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 0.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 0.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 0.5 cup yogurt and 2 sliced onions. For pressure cooking mutton we need 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 1 black cardamom, half teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon oil. For cooking spinach we need 300 gram spinach, 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch chopped ginger, 3 green chilies, 2 chopped onions, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 dried red chilies, half tablespoon ghee, 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste. Now for the recipe, first for marination, add yogurt to the goat meat, then add coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger and garlic. Add sliced onions and mix. Leave this marinated goat on the side for at least an hour. Turn the pressure cooker on medium heat and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add bay leaves, cumin seeds, cloves and black cardamom and mix. Once the cloves start to splutter, add marinated goat and mix. Cook the goat on high flame for 15 minutes or until the goat changes its color. Next, add half cup of water and mix. Close the lid of the cooker and cook for 6-7 whistles on medium flame or until the goat is tender. Next, in a wok, add oil and ghee and turn the flame on medium heat. Once hot, add chopped onions and mix. Once the onion starts to change color, add ginger, garlic, green chilies and mix. When the garlic loses its raw smell, add dried red chilies and mix. Next, add spinach and mix. Add salt and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Next, with the help of a potato masher, mash the spinach with light pressure. Add butter and cover and cook for 5 minutes. Open the lid of the pressure cooker once the pressure is released naturally. Check if the goat is cooked or not. If it is uncooked, cook for 1 to 2 whistles or until it is done. Next, transfer the cooked goat to the wok and turn the flame on high and mix and cook for 5 minutes. Next, turn the flame on medium and cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the desired consistency is reached while stirring in between. You can also use the potato masher for stirring using light pressure. Your saag meat is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add saag meat in the center of the bowl. Add bread pieces on the sides. Drizzle some cream on top. A plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a bowl, add saag meat. Drizzle some cream on top of it and place it on a platter. Add bread on the side of the platter. Add butter on top of the saag and bread. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add cumin rice on the sides of the bowl. Add saag meat at the center of the bowl. Drizzle some cream on the top and place a butter cube on top of the saag. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.